Hello everyone, my name is Murli. Today I am going to show the how Excel workbook looks like. So by opening the Excel application, the interface of Excel looks like this. By clicking on the blank workbook, so this is the view of Excel. So the one highlighted with the green rectangle box is known as cell, and the horizontal cells are known as the row, and vertical cells are known as column. So here A is a column, and one which is highlighted with the black shade is row, and one which is highlighted with black shade vertically is known as column. So coming to Excel view has columns and rows similar to a squared math exercise book. For now, focus on the rows, columns and the cells. And by performing simple function, first of all we will perform a simple function like by clicking uh, a column and first row. So here second type is equal to 1 plus 1. We are performing the simple addition like is equal to 1 plus 1. So after entering this, click on enter and it will show the result 2. This is the first function we performed in the Excel.